Guys, I have story guys. When I go vacation in Philippines, I have only 10 days. I go my flight I think December 1. I reach my home December 2. And then December 3 we celebrate my uncle birthday. And then also that is like anniversary like that. Then my mother birthday, like we both celebrate na. We celebrate together. And then all my cousins, sister, brother, my mother, stepfather, all friend is there. And then it's so sad because in my place it's always raining. It's so painful because I want to go somewhere with my kids. I can't go. And then also my flight to go back in Dubai, I think December 10. And then this UEC ginoo ko because that time have a lot of holiday. And then my place is very far, like I'm living in the jungle, in the forest. So it's so hard to get OEC. So that's why my flight to Mindanao to Manila, I think December 9. So I go Manila very early, I think December 7. So where is my time to my family? I don't have time to bonding with them. And then I go in Manila very early. You know? That's why next time I don't want to go vacation only like that 10 days shuhada. Very painful only. And then I'm so sad because a lot of maratas. I don't know. But anyway, I'm the one also marites. That one only at least I have little moment with my sister, brother, my mother, my son. Yeah, we're celebrating something. We make like this. And then, my habit in myself before when I'm not converting Muslim is every Christmas I'm always sharing. I'm always giving food to the kids, like small things only like that because we are not rich also. And then now, because I think May I convert Muslim, but I'm not yet wearing hijab because I need to learning more Islamic, But doesn't mean I stop sharing for the kids every December because even at Christmas you can share. Even no have Christmas you can share. Not only Christmas you can share. Now as a Muslim, of course, even only little blessing, I'm happy to do that. Like I'm giving food to the kids, in my place only because I'm not rich also naman, oy. Of course, only like in my places only like that, sharing little food. That is, guys. So that is, guys. Okay. So to do the marites out there, if you don't know the story, shut up.